northeastern Hendricks County, Boone County, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brownsburg, or 19 miles northwest of Indianapolis, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitestown around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Union around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lebanon around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Thorntown around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 128 and 150. Interstate 74 between mile markers 55 and 67. Strong thunderstorms precautionary and preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Boone and Hendricks. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hendricks County, Boone County, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brownsburg, or 19 miles northwest of Indianapolis, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicator.